Welcome back, VMworld TV, and I'm here with Nabil, and we're talking about VMware Site Recovery, DR as a service. Now, I know from my experience with my customers that having a secondary DR site is, one, it's very expensive, and two, it's a lot of hassle to keep that going continuously. So, DR as a service, do tell.
Absolutely. So with VMware Site Recovery, we are offering DR as a service on VMware Cloud and AWS, right? So you get the best of both worlds. You get the best of breed DR orchestration that's provided by SRM or Site Recovery Manager, and you get the benefits of the elasticity of the cloud, as well as the operational consistency that VMware Cloud and AWS offers, right? So it's an offering that we've launched a few months ago, and we have a number of customers using it to really get a lot of cost savings and operational benefits for the DR readiness.
Okay, so I imagine, does that mean that you have to have all the compute power that you have in your local data center, you have to have that on AWS, because that's going to be expensive, or can you just have like a viable minimal set and then scale out as you need?
Exactly, right? So that's the beauty of doing DR to the cloud. You get you have the ability to protect your VMs to VMware Cloud and AWS, and provision just the capacity you need to store the replicated data. And then when you want to execute a DR test or a failover event, you scale up the cluster on the fly. It takes about 5 to 10 minutes to add a host, right? Which is phenomenal. And you can shrink it back down after you're done with the test or the failover event, right? So get that benefit of the elasticity and save on costs.
Okay, so this sounds like the solution that a lot of my customers have been looking for years. Now, you said that this was launched a little while back, and we just had a little talk as well. I heard you say something about a promotion that's coming up.
Yes, we're very excited to announce a promotion that will go live sometime early next year. You'll be able to use VMware Site Recovery for up to 90 days, free of charge for up to 200 VMs. So if you want to, if you want to tell your customers to sign up to get notified when the promotion goes live, do tell them to go to our website, and they'll be able to, apply for that and evaluate the service for free.
This is really good. I think that a lot of people that are looking into the solution are more and more enjoying the fact that we're providing free access to just try it, just go play with it, and I think that's excellent. So we launched this a couple of months back. Do we have any customers that are actively using it? And if so, what do they think of the product right now?
Yeah, we have a number of customers using it very successfully, and again, saving on cost, saving on the operational hassle. One of them is Brinks, right, the security company that does the armored trucks for banks and other merchant institutions. They wanted to modernize their IT infrastructure, overall, and one of the things they wanted to do as part of that was close down their on-prem DR data centers and utilize the cloud for DR. So they went ahead and utilized our service, VMware Site Recovery, to protect all of their production workloads. You might have heard, if you were watching the VMworld general session at Las Vegas a couple of months ago, Rohan Paul, their CIO, went on stage and basically said there's no reason for any customer to have an on-prem DR site anymore, right, with this service. So very happy customers, and we have a lot more of them as well, and looking forward to greater momentum going forward as well.
This sounds excellent. So I've got one last question for you. This is available in the US region right now, or is it available in all the regions that we have VMC on AWS?
It's actually available in all of the regions where VMware Cloud and AWS is available, right? So we launch and roll out the service as VMware Cloud and AWS expands to all of the new regions. And you heard Pat go on stage talk about the global expansion plans on VMware Cloud and AWS. We plan to be in all of those regions day one.
This excellent news. Nabil, thank you very much for your time, and enjoy VMworld.